Vehicle manufacturing at Nissan Shatai. Nissan Shatai's headquarters, Shonan plant, and Techno Center are located here in Hiratsuka City, Kanagawa, and the Hadano office in Hadano City, Kanagawa, and Nissan Shatai Kyushu in Fukuoka. Let's take a look at the characteristics of these four facilities. In the Shonan plant, we produce the NV200 Vanette, compact pickup trucks, and other vehicles. At the Techno Center, we develop new vehicles and prototype models. In the Hadano office, we have a press plant which produces car body parts and experimental equipment beginning with the testing course. In Nissan Shatai Kyushu, we produce the L Grand minivan, the Overseas Export Model Patrol, and other vehicles. Vehicles produced in Nissan Shatai are highly acclaimed in Japan and throughout the world. Let's take a look at the process in which these vehicles are produced. Product planning, where we come up with new vehicle concepts. Design, where we are constantly generating new ideas for body shape. Layout, where vehicle parts bring out the best in performance. And prototype production and vehicle testing, where the actual cars are produced and tested. After all these processes are completed, the plant begins vehicle production. Let's introduce the process of vehicle production at the plant. Press. This is the raw material, which is a coil of thin steel sheet. This steel sheet coil is the material used to make car bodies. Using mold press, we press the steel sheet with the upper and lower molds to shape car body sides, roofs, floorboards, and doors. Body assembly. Programmed robots weld the parts together to produce these car bodies. Hundreds of existing robots are all controlled by a computer, so we can accurately weld differently shaped parts for different car models. After producing each car body, employees check them carefully and move them on to the next process. Painting. We apply the first coat using a corrosion-resistant primer. Each customer's order color is neatly and accurately applied. Robots play a key role here, too. They apply a perfectly even coating to the car body. This painting booth is structurally engineered to avoid contamination, such as dust, thus allowing the highest quality color application. After drying the paint, employees carefully inspect the surfaces to ensure a beautiful finish. Assembly. This assembly line builds different types of vehicles on the same line. Instrument panel modules with air conditioning units and audio devices are mounted to the body, assisted by machines that help to reduce burden of the weight. The assembly process is mostly manual, as employees can make delicate adjustments when fitting decorations and softer parts. In the chassis process, the mixed flow production of multiple models has been further evolved. The assembly line separates part way for frame body and monocoque body vehicles, as they have different assembly methods, such as for engines. Monocoque body vehicles create strength through their entire body. This structure is used in many vehicles because it is lightweight, yet strong against stress that acts on the car body. The frame body vehicles are used for vehicles that require durability and strength. Unlike monocoque body vehicles, the engine and suspension are mounted directly onto a frame body vehicle. After the engine is mounted, other parts, such as tires and seats, are mounted before the vehicle moves on to the next process. Inspection. Frame body and monocoque body vehicles rejoin the line here. The completed vehicles are inspected for quality. Here, trained inspectors check each vehicle closely and carefully. We inspect not only basic parts, such as the engine and brakes, but also check over 400 different car parts carefully. These vehicles are finally delivered to customers through dealerships. Vehicles produced in Nissan Shotai are not only delivered in Japan, but are also exported throughout the world. Delivering high-quality vehicles to customers around the world. Nissan Shotai.